Hello guys, today I will show you how to make a USB flash drive with Windows 10. First thing you have to do is plug in your USB flash drive into your computer. Second of all, go to this web page. The link will be in the description of this video. Once you're here, just select Download Tool Now. Save the program. Run the program. This might take a couple of minutes. It's sped up on this video, so it will go faster for me. Agree to the terms of this software and hit accept. Once you're ready, you can create installation media. Select the language you want to use. I think I'm gonna pick English for this one. I'm gonna go with 64-bit. Then select the USB flash drive. It has to be at least 8 gigabytes. The USB flash drive will be pre-selected, so just hit next. The download will begin. This process will take anywhere from like 5 minutes to 3 hours depending on your internet speed. So just let this process finish and you'll be good to go. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this helps you. Bye bye.